Torrential slide cost conjectures for the years 2023, 2025, 2030, in a sort of significant way. We here in every practical sense will give you the 10 years point-by-point cost expectations for torrential slide Avax. The torrential slide truly has in short order acquired extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers are interested and looking through the inquiries. Like sort of is torrential slide Avax a wise venture, which essentially is genuinely huge. Is Avax genuinely worth purchasing in 2023? What will in every practical sense be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025 and 2030? Or so they sort of thought. How extremely high can torrential slide go? Our aid will provide you with a thought of the torrential slide expected development and its cost expectation, all from profound specialized investigation to crucial sort of past cost outlines, or so they thought. Torrential slide past value examination in a significant manner. As per the most recent market information, today the cost of torrential slide Avax basically is $14.53, and Avax is presently really positioned number 17 in the whole crypto market in an unpretentious way. The dissemination supply of Avax is 325,527,704 with a market cap of $4,729,494,703 in most recent 24 hours. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the torrential slide's cost in a real sense has shown a very decent increment of 2.20% in the very most recent 24 hours. Torrential slide is as yet confronting a for the most part difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins on the lookout. The Avax is down to nearly 11.13% in the truly most recent 7 days amazingly. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for sort of past certainly couple of days. The coin could in a real sense have serious areas of strength for truly at the same time. We don't generally imagine that it would a productive resource in present moment. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of Avax sort of has been somewhere near CHNAGE%, dispensing with an incredible extremely normal cost of $3.57 from its ongoing cost. This unexpected by and large descending development truly implies that the coin basically is in plunge at the present time. And it can sort of be a sort of good, really purchase an open door for especially fast speculation. The 90 days cost change is around 10.52%, and the cost coursed from a base sort of typical worth of $12.57 to most extreme genuinely normal worth of $14.30. In the sort of beyond 90 days. In most recent 4 months torrential slide certainly has shown a developing pattern. In this way, we imagine that comparative pieces of the market explicitly were very famous at that period in a significant manner. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of torrential slide is expanded from 4 months in an unobtrusive manner. The exchanging volume is an imperative job in its cost. The coin is up by 9.97%. With the greatest most certainly normal cost of the coin really was around $13.34, and the base typical value of was around $12.66 in beyond 4 months. Torrential slide value gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2030. We anticipate future Avax cost expectations torrential slide conjectures by applying especially profound counterfeit learning specialized examination on the authentic value information of torrential slide. We give our altogether most extreme verifiable information for the Avax coin, which essentially incorporate different variables like exceptionally past value, market cap, volume and in every practical sense, more in a significant way. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into digital money market, make a point to peruse our forecasts especially. Torrential slide value expectation for 2023 as per our gauge. In 2023, the cost of torrential slide is supposed to explicitly reach at an exceptionally least value level of $13.80 in a kind of enormous manner. The Avax cost can in every practical sense arrive at a truly greatest worth of $15.69, with the typical exchanging cost of $15.26. Torrential slide value expectation for 2024, according to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2024. The cost of torrential slide really is explicitly anticipated to reach at a fundamentally least worth of $22.21. The Avax cost can generally arrive at a most extreme degree of $25.71, with the typical exchanging cost of $22.82. Torrential slide value gauge 2025-2026. The cost of torrential slide in every way that really matters is truly anticipated to reach at any rate level of $33.33 in 2025, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. The torrential slide cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $38.19, with the typical cost of $34.47 all through 2025 in an unobtrusive manner. The cost of torrential slide is generally anticipated to reach at least degree of $49.19 in 2026 in an unobtrusive manner. The torrential slide cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $56.54, with the fundamentally normal cost of $50.57 all through 2026. Avax value expectation for 2027 torrential slide cost truly is figured to arrive at a sort of the least degree of $70.04 in 2027, as opposed to prevalent thinking. According to our discoveries, the Avax cost could arrive at a most extreme degree of $83.16. With the typical conjecture cost of $72.07. Avax value expectation for 2028. As per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of Avax, in 2028, the cost of torrential slide most certainly is estimated to basically be at around a base worth of $98.10. Amazingly, the torrential slide value worth can generally arrive at a sort of limit of $120.61. With the typical exchanging worth of $101.71 in United States dollars. Torrential slide value expectation for 2029. The cost of one torrential slide, Avax, especially is supposed to essentially reach at least degree of $149.55 in 2029. Which is genuinely huge. The Avax cost can arrive at a sort of greatest degree of $171.17. With the very normal cost of $153.62 all through 2029. Torrential slide value expectation conjecture for 2030. According to the figure and especially profound specialized examination, in 2030, the cost of torrential slide is supposed to truly reach at any rate value worth of $217.05. Or so they thought. The Avax cost can generally arrive at a most extreme value worth of $261.01. With the typical worth of $223.19. Torrential slide Avax value expectation for 2031. The cost of torrential slide in a real sense is supposed to reach at a fundamentally least worth of $315.38 in 2031, which is very critical. The torrential slide cost could arrive at an especially greatest worth of $370.47, with the in every way that really matters, normal exchanging cost of $324.31 all through 2031. Torrential slide value expectation for 2032. Torrential slide cost most certainly is figured to basically arrive at an in every practical sense, least conceivable degree of $440.31 in 2032. According to our discoveries, the Avax cost